At 17, I was curious, what do the rich have in common? It wasn't age, gender, religious belief, whether you're an immigrant, the firstborn, or the lastborn, and it certainly had nothing to do with education. In fact, I could only find two things that the rich had in common, and one of them was
Dolf de Roos, renowned real estate mogul,
whose insights have shaped the property market.
He's mentored hundreds of thousands of investors and is the prolific author behind the best-selling book, Real Estate Riches.
I spent 8 years at university, got a PhD. I was offered a job at $32,000, but unfortunately for them, the week before, I netted $35,000 out of a single real estate deal, and I thought, hang on a minute, there's something wrong with this equation that degrees equals wealth. If you want to become financially independent, you have to do things differently. Real estate is a very specific form of an engineering problem. Here's the problem, find the solution. One of my golden rules, one of 8 golden rules, is if you're smart and you're on it and you see it, then you can snag a good deal. It happens every day of the week. It doesn't happen in the stock market. It doesn't happen with futures and options and anything else. The trick is to seldom sell. In general, people who sell tend to live long enough to regret it.
Why is that?
It's a combination of 3 things. One is, the second thing is, and so that causes,
Oh my God.
but there's a third one that most people don't realize, and that's
Listen to the full episode on our YouTube channel or wherever you consume your favorite podcasts.